Hello Craft Tube, welcome back to my channel, Inconsistent Crafter. Today I'm going to be finishing up some ones that I've been working on for a while. You see the mushrooms there. I'm adding the caterpillars to it. And then there's a few other veggies I'm doing. Wait, they're fruits. There's a few other fruits I'm doing that I added leaves to. So that's that. You know the drill. Enjoy. If these earrings are of interest to you, you can see what I have on my Etsy shop, or you can also click custom order and order a specific fruit or vegetable that you want. Whatever, just let me know. Here are the finished ones. You see the oranges there, and then next to that we have the caterpillars on the mushrooms. And then I have one pomegranate because I accidentally broke the bottom off the other one. And here we have some peaches. Anyway, thanks for watching me, the Inconsistent Crafter. Have a great day, and I'll see you in the next video.